Okay, good morning, students. Today we'll solve some file handling questions given in your book. Beta. In back exercise, there are some questions given. These questions are of file handling, and we are going to make these program. Okay, students. In your book, there is a one question. Write a method slash function display words in Python to read lines from text file story.txt and display those words which are less than 4 characters. Avi, unmute yourself.
Sir.
First of all, tell me,
Yes.
is this program of text file or a binary file?
Sir, ये text file का operating है.
Yes, good, very good, beta. Okay, now I am starting this program. So first of all, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए whether it is a binary file or a text file. So first, they are saying make the function. So def, then function name is display words one question for Ishpreet.
Anji sir.
Beta, what is the meaning difference between function and method?
Function and method. सर फंक्शन सर जो हम खुद लिख रहे हैं ऐसे मेथड जो पहले से
no beta, no. Now listen beta, if the function returns something, जो आपने मॉड्यूल बनाया वो रिटर्न कर रहा है उसे हम फंक्शन कहते हैं. In all the commonly अगर किसी भी स्टेटमेंट में रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट है, suppose I am making here display words और रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट में लगा रहा हूँ, it means this is a function, otherwise this is a method. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
In common language, always remember in future whenever you will be in professional life, this is the difference between functions and methods. Otherwise, there is a very slight difference. Okay.
Yes sir.
Now, first of all, we will create file object. We will use open function. The name of the file is story.txt. Okay. Now, this file. Now, next is Sushant, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Sushant.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now tell me, in which mode we will open the file?
Sir, wait a second, sir.
Sushant, beta, this is a text file, okay? And they are saying to find out and display those words which are less than 4 characters. It means we are reading the file. R mode, not RB. It is R mode. Next is, Now we will read the file, but remember one thing, in this program, in this question, the question is to display those words. It means it is word wise. So first we read the file. R is equal to f dot read, and we can also use here split. So what the file, complete file from top to bottom we will read, then we split that into different words, and these words will be saved in R. R will be the list. R will be the list beta. Now we are using for I in R. So in I there will be first word. If length of I less than 4, and we want to display that, print I. After that we will close the file and calling the function. If I execute this, definitely it will give error message. Reason is there is no any file story.txt in the in your desktop. So here I create in place of story.txt, I am giving here data1. Okay, because data1 file is here, so I am taking here data1.txt. I am running the program. Look at here. So the word is, we, and are. First, I open the file and find out whether it is a correct output or not. So look at here. My file name is data1.txt. I open the file in Notepad. Okay, beta. This is of a 4 characters. तो ये स्क्रीन के ऊपर डिस्प्ले नहीं होगा. Is हमारे पास कितने characters का है? 2 characters का. So that's why here, look at here, look at the output is. ठीक है, is आ गया यहाँ पे. उसके बाद हमारे पास computer more than 4 characters, period more than 4 characters, we, okay, it is less than 4 characters, are less than 4 characters, doing is of 4 characters नहीं आ सकता, Python is more than 4 characters नहीं आ सकता. So student, is it clear? Aditya, any doubt in this? Ankita, Aditya,
Yes, sir.
beta program is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now next program is okay, students, a very interesting question. Very, very interesting question. So look at here. Question is, write a program. So they are not saying about the function. So we will make the program that reads characters from the keyboard one by one all lowercase characters get stored inside file lower and all uppercase characters get stored inside the file upper and all other characters stored inside file other. Now, Kshitij, unmute yourself. Madhvya,
Yes, sir.
Madhvya, tell me, this question is of reading or writing?
Yes, sir.
This question is of reading or writing?
This question is
Madhvya,
of
voice is not audible, beta.
writing.
Ishpreet,
सर ये दोनों ही करने हैं हमने सर.
no, they are saying
मतलब सर
they
राइटिंग करना सर, राइटिंग करना सर
that
बेसिकली.
read character from the keyboard है बेटा.
ओके सर, राइटिंग राइटिंग
Writing, character wise writing or binary?
सर ये मतलब सिंपल कैरेक्टर वाइज.
Character wise. Good beta. Look at here.
रेंज वाला सर हम इसमें यूज करेंगे कि ना सर कि उनकी रेंज यूज करेंगे फॉर आई इन रेंज 65 to 97.
Look at here. Look at here. I first get the input from the keyboard, one string. Enter the string. Then I use for I in S. So in I, there will be first character, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. Now I am using here now if I dot is upper, in that case we will write the data in upper file. If it is a lower in lower file, so we will have to open these three files. I take F is equal to open upper dot txt and mode will be writing mode. Second, I will open, if files are not there, automatically created better. F1, it is for lower. Oh, sorry, writing mode, better. Writing mode. Third file, it is others. After that, if it is uppercase character, so we will write that character. So we will write, look at here, F dot write, what I want to write, I. elif if I dot is lower, in that case I will write in f1 dot right, and what I want to write I, and any other character. So I am using here elif else f2 dot right, and after that I will close all the files. F dot close, f1 dot close, f2 dot close. So I am running this program. So enter the string. I enter India 2021 @ So there is no any error. I am checking the output. So look at here. Three files automatically created upper. I open this file in Notepad. So look at here. In India 2021 @ there are two characters that are alphabet, capital alphabet I and N. So these are in upper file. Then in the lower file, there are DIA. Okay. And in others, so these are 2021 @. So this is the complete program. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Avi.
Excuse me,
Yes, okay.
सर हम यहाँ पे लोड फंक्शन यूज कर सकते हैं?
देखो लोड फंक्शन और डंप फंक्शन सिर्फ बाइनरी फाइल में करना है.
ठीक है.
ओके, ये समझ
हाँ
लग
जी.
गया आपको बेटा? समझ लग गया?
हाँ जी सर.
सुशांत,
यस सर.
एनी डाउट?
नहीं सर, डाउट नहीं है, बस वो थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस की है.
Which one? Okay, students. Now next is so these questions are in page number 254, back exercise questions. These are not solved, so I am here solving these questions. Next question. This is question number 10. Write a function in Python to count and display the number of lines starting with alphabet A present in a text file lines.txt. Okay, students. Now I'm making here one text file note in Notepad, and here they given ki what is the contents of the file. The content of the files are the boy is playing there. There is playground. An aeroplane is in the sky. Alphabets and numbers are allowed in password. Okay, students, in this file, 3 lines start with the capital A. So I'm saving this file in desktop. Name of the file is lines and saved in the desktop. So look at here. I will make one function. Function name is not given. So I will calculate. I will open the file. File name is lines.txt. This is in reading mode. Now, because this is a line-wise reading, I take one variable L, f dot read lines for I in L. It means first line, then second line, then third line. One by one, all the lines will be saved in I. Then I will check if I0 means first element is equal to capital A. In that case, we will declare one variable count here, and we will make the increment in the count plus 1, and after the loop we will print number of lines, then we will display count, and after that we will close the file. End of this is function calling. So I am executing this program. Name of the I'm saving the file in desktop. Look at here, number of lines, 3. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Bhumika,
Yes, sir.
any doubt in this, bache?
No, sir.
Concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Avi,
हाँ जी सर.
any doubt in this?
No sir.
Okay, one question, general question. So the very simple program is write a program that copies one file to another. Okay, students, any student who can give the answer to this question. Very simple program. Means we are going to create a duplicate copy of same file. How this is possible in Python?
सर पहले हम एक फाइल ओपन करेंगे, उसके बाद सर एक फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे, फिर बाद में सर फिर हम लाइंस रीड करके सर फिर वही लाइंस उसमें लिखेंगे.
Yes, very simple. First we open the file. So file name is lines.txt. We open the file in reading mode. Then we will read the data. F.read, complete data from top to bottom, and after that we will write the data in another file. For this we open the file, new lines.txt, in writing mode, and we will write F1 dot write, what we will write, W, and after that F dot close, F1 dot close. I run the program. So look at here, I minimize the Python. So here is a new lines file is there. I open the file in Notepad. Look at here, same data which I have saved in lines. Look at here. So exactly same data. So note down the coding. Monday I will finish your chapter. So there are very small topics are there. So I will solve that.